Hi everyone! Today I'll be giving you a review on the Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Serum. This product claims to help fade dark spots and pigmentation caused by acne while increasing collagen production to help improve our skin. This cost 499 pesos in Watsons. Now I start my night routine. Of course, before doing so, I make sure that my face is clean. And then, the toner. Yes, I do not use any cotton in applying the toner on my face. After applying any skincare product, I tap my face to help my skin absorb the product. As you can see, I have imperfections on my skin. These are some pimple marks that I have. After applying the toner, I will be applying the Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Serum. Make sure to apply the serum first before applying any cream on your face. As for me, I really enjoy applying product on my face, so I will fast forward this video, otherwise this will take forever. Since I have a pimple on my forehead, I will be applying this Benzac Spot Treatment. And I will apply a little amount of this gel on the affected area. After which, I will be applying my facial creams. Since creams have heavier consistency compared to serum, what I usually do is get my spray bottle with water in it, and I spray some mist on my face. And then afterwards, I will be applying my facial creams. I have two creams during the nighttime. I apply my glycolic cream first and then let my skin absorb it for a minute or two and then apply my placenta cream. There, night routine finish. After a week, I'll be giving an update on the effectivity of the Miracle Repair Serum. Bye!